Hello everyone, I got some exciting news to share with you. Over here at Dylko Electrical, we are now government approved and government licensed to install security equipment. So here's our little card here. And what I'd like to do is talk to you today about one of the items that we are installing are security cameras, or better known as CCTV cameras. And I've got one here with me today. It's a Swan brand security camera. Here it is here. Very discreet. Yeah, it's small and has a great resolution on it. We also install other branded security cameras, and the best feature about these cameras are you can connect them over the internet. So it's peace of mind. So you can leave the house for a day or go on holidays knowing that anywhere in the world you can view the footage of these cameras over the internet and know what's going on inside your house or around your house. And also remember that when you're hiring any tradesperson, doesn't matter if it's an electrician, plumber, whatever, always check that they're fully licensed and insured. So if you'd like a quote on security cameras or security lighting and security sensors, give Dylko Electrical a call on 0414 299 892, and Helen will be here taking your calls. Okay, thank you.